Hey guys, welcome back to an Animal Company video. Today we're playing with someone because I finally have someone.
It's me.
It's my friend.
It's me.
And where are we going?
Where are we going?
I don't know. Wait.
We're going to mines over there. Very scary. I don't like it. It's got light. Oh, he did me. I'm in the shop. We need to buy. Oh, I suppose I could buy something from.
I gave you the goddamn. Also, yeah, I'm about to get a PC soon. Then I can start recording better quality videos. And
right, I need to stop talking in a baby accent. It's cringe.
I know.
But what should I get? A joystick? Should I get a normal joystick or a joystick inverted? Get a joystick.
Look. Should I buy an X? Should I
buy
an X?
That only costs one. That only costs one. No way. By the way, I'm not going to talk in my baby accent anymore.
Anyways, let's just turn these off. And as we're gonna be doing a little bit of duping on that. Isn't that right?
What do you mean by duping? Like the duplication machine, or like modding, like the glitch where you drop things.
The glitch.
Oh, that's all dupe. Right, we'll dupe.
Okay, what are we duping today?
Right.
So as you can see, we're duplicating this bag. Don't open the bag though. It's arena pistols and guns. It's arena shotguns. It's arena is one arena shotgun and the rest of the arena pistols.
How did you get it into like this place?
Someone just gave me it. Look, do you want to know what you get from this? Do you want to know what you get from this? Fuck.
What is it?
Get a really good pickaxe and I got a flip flop.
How do you get them?
I don't
have the things at lake. Are they the ones at lake?
I mean, we could change this into a lake video, or
it's not a lake video. Let's get powered up, boy. Right, get all your stuff. Get your guns. Get your drills.
I should probably make a fan code. This is gonna be my fan code.
One. The fan code's Frog L, by the way.
Yeah, that's the fan code. I don't know why. It's just too random. It's too random. I just came up with the best one possible. So if you join my server, and I'll give you free items. Yeah, I will totally give you free items.
Right, we need to open this present.
Are you sure you're gonna be online though?
Like when?
I might do a little giveaway in the code and like.
How was it red like? Oh wait a second.
On the weekend. Next weekend.
I'm gonna head to the middle.
I just killed everything. Bro, did you just see how I just clutched up? I just clutched up so good. Wait, did I kill everything? Wait, bro, did I kill everything? Bro, I almost killed everything. My guy, bro. I'm gonna open the present.
Oh, show! I got a rocket launcher. Just open it.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Welcome to what? burger. No, he's eating me! Also, that's not on or a moment.
Bro, it's not good. We need to hurry. We need to hurry.
I've died like 5 times.
Oh, we don't. Wait, guys, we need
Bro,
a weapon. We need a...
Stop. Stop.
Get away from me.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Damn! Bro, you missed! You suck! I'm not eating you now. If you don't want to watch this part, then it's hard. But I'm opening crate. And somehow bro did not die. Oh, mimic!
Oh, I just set everybody on fire.
This girl is on fire. How'd I keep missing? Hosan, hoist the color. One, two. Huh?
Oh my god.
Bro, this guy is up.
Go help, go help.
I can't help you.
Just whack it or something.
Come up here.
I can't.
I'm burning him. I'm burning him. Oh.
I'm coming.
Your body's down here. Damn. Are you about to jump scare me? Do you want to know the only reason why I'm wearing the gorilla head and gorilla arm?
Why?
Because I am.
Genius.
I'm flying.
Do these things stop making you float now?
I think. I mean, they are useless.
Yo!
I had to, bro. It's the most wonderful time. It's the most wonderful time of the year. What you get, bro?
Just
What'd you get?
the only thing
Oh,
I
no,
did,
back.
I accidentally threw at me. We need a zip line gun.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Hello world. Never been on. This is my second time on a YouTube video.
I mean, you're gonna be famous. Do you have a YouTube channel?
No, but I wish.
I could make this YouTube channel for us.
Okay,
It's called Dancing Animatronics, though. Or should I name it Leo and Noah? Both of our real names. And yeah, in a couple of months, I'm gonna be having a PC and using my friend here. I told her he did not die. This world is over. Hey, bro. Where you go, bro? Oh, fine. Who's this?
Bro, should we do some dipping now?
Yeah.
Right, what should we do?
But why do you leave the call? I thought you guys left.
Oh, I didn't.
Let's dupe this bag. Let's dupe this bag. Look.
What did you say I had in it? Oh, wait, what's in it?
Oh, this is in the backpack. We're duping that backpack in a minute.
Okay.
Let's do this duping glitch. Let's do this duping glitch. Okay, I'll open my stash. Okay, so grab it, right, is when I drop it in my stash.
Oh. That didn't work.
Yeah, well, let's just do this one.
What's it? We need big broccoli.
That's your. How much money do you have?
128.
Here, take it. I've got $1 million. 1 million.
Jumbo.
You can watch my video. You can watch my video so I can tell the truth. Anyway, come on.
We're ready.
Guys, if you want to try out this method too, then do it right now, even though some of you probably already done it.
I'll do a tutorial, so you need 2 broccoli. Well, actually, I can't bother this, just do it.
I'm trying to do it the right time.
Have they patched it?
No. They don't patch it. They know that people are doing it, but they don't actually care. I'm pretty sure.
Oh no! I'll try this like this.
It's not gonna
I
work.
felt it going on my hands.
Hold on, I have something that would be useful. Beep.
Boy, you were a bad boy. You got an F on every assignment.
No, I did not. I get A's.
That's actually so cool.
Okay.
I like it how when you walk, it just makes a like this, like an actual slipper sound like this. Wait, what are you doing?
I'm doing something.
Oh wait, that's genius.
Because I am.
Wait, and then when
It's
then when
it's like a bit too big. Let me
I know
get the
something
metal
that isn't
shield.
too big.
Let me get the metal plate. Where's my metal plate? Did I just get scammed?
What did you get?
Okay. This should work. There we go. You stand on that. It's. I've done it a couple of times. Don't grab it though. Put it back.
Put it on.
Just do this. Pass it here. And don't grab it this time. I just said not to grab it.
You only need one piece of goop, so I'll keep them two.
Bro, no, we don't. We need 3 pieces of goop.
That's 2. And
It's not gonna be stabled.
3. There we go, that'll do that. Maybe.
It needs to be straight, not like that.
That'll help. Let me try.
No. Do you want to go back to UG? You want to go back to UG?
No, I quit UG ages ago. Can we
You're
do
supposed
that
to
back
throw
back?
it.
Yeah. I didn't have it in. Do you want to play some UG?
Fine. Oh yeah, let's play some UG. We haven't played it
Right.
in ages.
The video has changed right now. We're playing a different game.
Join back the call. Join back the call.
Right, call. Are we even still in the call?
I left because you left.
Hi.
Hi.
Right, I'm in.
They can still hear us. The viewers can still hear us too.
Oh, okay, got it. Flying update?
Yeah, they added flying dinos. Yeah. They're called swooper jaws, but okay. It's an egg. It's an egg. Yeah, I've got the egg before, but I want the flying dino. I quit UG ages ago. So one day I was playing UG. Then something really bad happened to me. I put my Megalodon, all my Titans onto the counter, and some hacker basically
Hold on, Jackson.
I have a
Jackson
Beastosaurus
VR.
egg.
gave
VR.
my Titan to the
That's
other
a
person,
Nubasaur.
even though I didn't want to
That's
get
a
it.
Jackson.
Also, join the code
Jackson, this is what your dino's gonna turn
7895.
Jackson, this is what your dino's gonna turn into.
You have
895.
like a bunch of flying things. Wait a second.
This is my Omni one.
I'll trade anything for a flying. I just
78956.
want. I'll trade
Yeah, it has to be 5 digits. Add a 6 onto it. Add a 6.
I'm just climbing the volcano.
No. I'm in the same lobby. No. Join different server. 78954. 78954. I'll wait in there for you. Yeah, there's no one here. Oh yeah, you're
I'm in.
here. Alright,
Oh, bro.
I'm here.
Fellow friend.
Hello.
Hello.
Look at my dino decks. Can I see your dino decks?
Dino Dex.
Let me see. Your total power is 30. Do you see this one at the bottom? That's a super jaw. I'll show you where the super jaw is. Super jaw's over here. The super jaw's been out for like a week now. It's just a Cryodon.
Cryodon. Thing. Nah.
Chilodon.
Tridon. Nah.
So you don't have a Cryodon?
No, sir.
Wait, do you want to do some trading?
Yeah, sure.
I can give you the OG boss for the pig village, the pig island.
Because you find the swoop. I'll tell you what I'll give you. There's something that I own that I just can't use. It's my Megalodon. It's not that good of a level. It doesn't have a saddle, but I'm offering to trade it with you.
Alright.
This is the one that I didn't spend real life money on. This was total winning off a boss. This is it.
I'll give you my
Wait, where's the swoop thing? Is this the swoop thing?
Yeah, you can see the wings.
Do you have a swooper thing?
I had one.
Well, let me just wait. How do I get one? Like, can you get them for like free?
Wait, yeah. Can you trade me Megalodon for this? I know he might seem bad.
Nah.
No, just trust me. He got deleted from the game. He just got deleted. They replaced his boss. They replaced his boss with a raptor. Then what's in the trade?
This thing is a bit rare. I'll trade you many things.
What about the Chilodon? What about Chilodon?
Let me see the Chilodon.
Yeah, this.
Where'd you get that? Was that from the bundle?
It's a bundle one.
How much? Are you sure you want to trade that? Cause that did cost you a bit of money. Oh, the things though. That flying thing looks so cool. But I don't know how I can get like. Is there
also,
a way
there's
you can
a free
get
shirt. There's a free shirt.
Where?
It's right here. It's right here. Have you heard of mini games in this game?
No.
They added mini games.
You can get stuff from it.
You can get free nugs.
Right, where is it?
You have to wait. You have to wait
20
more minutes. You have to wait 20 more minutes until it turns the next hour.
Right. Let's see. Let's see your dinosaurs ready to offer for my Megalodon. God fog. This guy is 100% my rarest thing.
What about what about these guys?
Replace this with something.
You don't want a Chilodon.
Nah.
I work very hard for him.
You can have.
You want a newbie? You want a newbie?
Definitely not a newbie. I don't care if you're only gonna get one in your life. I just don't want a newbie.
You don't want a newbie?
What's that?
Raptor.
A raptor. Ooh, another raptor.
That's my only raptor.
Ready. Pull.
It's a menu.
Accept.
Alright.
Is the dipping glitch still real?
I don't even know how to do dupe and collect. But now I don't have a raptor.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, but what am I gonna do without a raptor?
The good thing is with raptors, they're not the best thing though. They're not too good. They do have good jumps, I can tell you. Right, I'm just gonna get that for that bad boy. And then, what are these harnesses?
It's armor.
Oh, just put a green bit of armor on them. Green little necktie. Right, let's go. Sure. Right, let's go to the mini games. But do you bring your dinos with the mini games?
I said the mini game starts every hour.
Every hour.
Yeah. I'm riding my Shadow.
This guy is the best thing I own. This came with the bundle.
Bro, I lost my bundle, I know.
How?
I don't know, but I lost them.
Wait, is there a way that you can give the things for free, or do you have to like trade?
You have to trade it.
Just because I want to give you a raptor back.
Wait, what?
I want to give you raptor back if you just give it to people.
You can't give it to people, but
What's your worst dinosaur?
my worst dinosaur is that newbie.
I'll trade you.
Wait, actually,
But what level is it?
10.
Yeah, sure.
I mean, I wanted the bundle dino.
You can just have your raptor back, cause just.
I'm gonna level my raptor up. You wanna come level the raptor up?
I'm gonna go level up my. I'm gonna actually just. I'll come with you. Yeah, sure. Right.
Alright,
So
sure.
where's the mini game so we can get nugs?
The mini
So
games.
whereabouts is it?
About that, it starts every hour.
So we gotta wait another 18 minutes.
Yeah.
what
That's
you doing,
not
Link?
long though. You can't lie, it's not long.
Yes, that's not long. So what you do in the meantime?
I'm
Let's go check.
Bro, you
out-
realize you got no name, bro. You realize you got no name. Bro, you had
No
no
name?
name. Look, you had no name. You had no name dinosaur. He doesn't have a name.
Is that rare?
No, I just did it.
This guy's called. What's he called again? Oh yes, Grug.
I named him Yellow Liquid.
What?
I meant lemonade.
Oh, shit.
Okay,
By the
where
way,
should we go?
with-
Pigland Island.
Right, Big Island.
Did you know there's only 28 level 100s in the game?
28 level 100.
28
Wow.
level 100s.
I just realised I'll never use Grug 2. I want to use him.
I
I'm
want
gonna go this guy.
I want to use Grug too. But
This is guy
sadly-
because he's also called Grug, but I'm just gonna call him Grug 2 for now. Well, he is called Grug, but I'm just gonna call him
Oops, I
Grug
wasn't
2.
supposed to kill you.
Can you kill each other? I wish there was like PvP.
They're adding it.
When?
The next update.
When's the next update?
Hopefully. I don't know. I don't know if they're adding it.
When this update ends, will that flying thing be available ever again?
No. It depends if the bundle's still here.
So the bundle's
Or
still
they can't,
here.
or they just can't think of a new dino for this. Probably gonna keep the super gel. They've got like 20 dinos in this game.
With it though, what does it do? So like,
Why did
so
they
like,
name
do you
it
like jump
Raptor?
off something and it glides?
Why did they name this Raptor even though it's a raptor?
Nah. I feel like, but do you know what dinosaurs? Like, why are they eating corn and meat?
Let's go to the piglin boss.
Yes.
I'm up here by the way.
And when do you come off?
And you can actually fly. Where do you go?
Oh, bro, after the mini games, I'm gonna have to come off.
You're gonna have to come off after a mini
Yeah.
game.
How long did the mini games take?
Like 3 minutes, 3 or 4.
On the okay. Are we 1 second? I'm just gonna try kill a pig.
Come kill a pig.
Go kill a pig.
I already killed a pig.
I killed it too. It's because my dinosaur was actually it's very weak.
Oh, I thought so. What level is that?
It's level 6.
Mine's level 8, so it explains. I'ma dunk it. I got a pig head.
Pig head.
Mm.
Where are you?
I'm in the piglin bit.
I'm at like the corn bit with the hay bales.
I'm coming though.
Where are you? Like whereabouts? Oh, you're at the pig bit.
I'm gonna have to stop recording when I reach 15%. Because I have to upload it and I have to edit it.
Hey, Dad. Yes. Look at. Robbie, what are we want?
It's gonna kick you out the server, but okay.